today we are going to learn about the numbers, right? First we'll study about counting numbers. What are counting numbers? Counting numbers. What are counting numbers? The numbers that we can count, we call counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, we call counting numbers, right? Next, we'll discuss about the whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. The counting numbers with 0 we call whole numbers. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay? The counting numbers and the whole numbers both we call another name we call natural numbers. We call natural numbers. Now I explain counting numbers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Right. Next we'll move about another set of numbers. That is an even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers. What are even numbers? Any integer that can be divided exactly by 2 we call even numbers. So when you take the last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 we call an even number. So how to find? Now if it is 54, how can we find whether it's an even number? Right? We have to consider the last digit. If the last digit, if you can divide by 2, exactly if you can divide by 2, we call an even number. So how can we find? There is an easy way to find, right? So when we draw 4 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly we can find, we can divide by 2. So it's a even number. When you take 128, so do we need to find 128? No, we have to consider the last digit. The last digit is 8, so therefore it's an even number. Right. Let's move to odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers. Odd numbers. So if it is not an even number, we call an odd number. So what are the numbers? The odd numbers. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If the last digit is 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, we call an odd number. Right? We take 135. We have to consider the last digit. So the last digit is 5. It's an odd number. Right. So next, we'll discuss about an integer. Right. I'll draw a number. So the number line will mark 0, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we call those numbers what we call? Yeah, counting numbers or positive numbers. Positive numbers. Positive numbers. So 0, -1, -2, -3, what we can call? We can call negative numbers. Negative numbers. Okay, so what is an integer? Integer is a positive number, a negative number with 0 we call an integer.